Hey everyone, and welcome back to Hoffman Engineering. And can you believe it? 3D Print Log is now officially 1 year old. It's been just over 1 year since the first launch of 3D Print Log, and man, that is exciting. So, thank you to all of you that have created an account and started recording prints and giving us your feedback and letting us know how this tool can be useful for you. And if you haven't heard of 3dprintlog.com, you can create a free account today and start keeping track of your prints and filament usage and everything you need for the 3D printing hobby. And since 1 year is such a big milestone, it's time for everyone's favorite activity, the yearly reports. So let's jump over to the 3D Print Log Zoom meeting and listen in. And hey everyone, thanks for joining the call. We'll give it just a couple more minutes for the last stragglers to join in on the Zoom meeting. And can you hear me all right? Is everything good here? Am I muted? Is my microphone on? Can you hear me now? Good. Okay. So, welcome to the 3D Print Log yearly reports. I'm here to give an awesome presentation to you all. So, let's dive in, shall we? So, this is a look at the past and the future of 3D Print Log. So, the 3D Print Log current stats. This last year, we have reached 1,000 users. Those 1,000 users have over 1,250 recorded printers, with over 1,000 rolls of filament, and, drumroll please, over 12,500 prints recorded. So, good job, everyone. So, a quick timeline over the last year. Let's look at some of the features that were released. On April 23rd, 2020, we officially launched 3D Print Log, so that was exciting. On June 10th, we finally added user profiles, so you can view your profile and give a bio. On July 30th, we added branding and a new logo. We had the official 3D Print Log logo. On September 12th was when we added comments to prints. That was the first user social media type thing where users could communicate with each other. On September 21st, this was the big one. We released the Cura plugin 1.0. So the first official plugin, and people immediately started downloading it and giving 3D Print Log a try. On October 24th was when we added the ability to export to CSV so you could back up your own data locally. On January 17th this year, we added filament tracking so you could record your own spools and keep track of filament usage. On February 28th was when we added the ability to record filament usage by length instead of just by weights. So you can use any slicer, whether it reports filament usage by weight or length. On March 7th was when we officially released the octoprints integration. And on the 24th of April this year is when we released the customized settings via the new Cura plugin 1.2. So you can customize whatever settings you want to send from Cura. So that was a highlights of some of the big features added in over the last year. But let's look at some of the upcoming features for the future of 3D Print Log. So 3D Print Log future features include the ability to group prints together in a single project. We're going to update analytics to allow filtering by printers, filaments, or prints to make the analytics page a little bit more useful. We'll have updates to the print search to make it easier to find your prints. We will have print queuing and the ability to add printer maintenance logs and much, much more. So, what can you do about the future features? So if you want a specific feature, send us a feedback. You can go to 3dprintlog.com/feedback to send us in what you think should be added. The octoprint integration, Cura integration, filament tracking, those all came from user feedbacks, so send us your ideas. So, thank you for using 3D Print Log. We couldn't have done it without you. So we'll see you in the next yearly reports. So thank you all. Christopher Hoffman signing out. How do I stop sharing my screen? Oh, okay, here it is. Got it. Thanks.